A request to all my viewers, click subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next upload. Hey guys, welcome back to another old video. This is from the cave series that I had started around Pune, exploring the caves around the city. Hi guys, I'm Ajinkya Dixit. This is my channel AJINXD Artist. I'm going to Bhaja caves today and the video begins now. I was traveling from Karla to Bhaja and then I went to Bedse caves. I'm yet to edit that video, but I'm hoping it will be as exciting and as fresh as this one even after a year. The main reason that I couldn't post this video last year is that I had to create a 3D model of it which I had in mind right after the first time I had visited this great piece of architecture. And I was a bit confused starting with the 3D model, but I wanted to do a good enough version of it that it looks pretty similar to the original one. I'm sure the original still looks better, but it's my attempt at it. I'm trying to get better at this and I hope to continue working on many such monuments around Pune. I came from Karla caves just now, Ekpira temple and Karla caves. Sadly they were closed, they open at 9 am. I'm hoping these are open. If you haven't seen the video yet, check out here on YouTube. As the lockdown will come towards the end, I'm sure monsoon might start and I think Lohgad, Visapur or the Bhaja caves are the best place to visit. The caves are dated back to 2200 years. I mean, it's incredible, it still stands superbly and looks magnificent even now. This is the CHAITYAGRIHA. This is the main prayer hall which has a wooden architecture and wooden framing on the ceiling that is also 2000 years plus old, and there's no termites, there's no rotting. The wood is perfectly strong and capable to hold on even after so many years. So these are a group of 22 caves with around 14-15 stupas, and this place was very important for the trade route that goes through right from the Arabian Sea up to maybe Nepal now. There are small individual rooms as well as rooms for small families and groups to stay and enjoy the atmosphere, pray together, live together, and then maybe go ahead with the journey. I guess on that day I was in a rush, so I couldn't explore the caves in detail, because right after this I went to Bedse caves. I want to create that version in 3D as well. I'm hoping I'll do a better job now, but that's the reason I had to fill in with 3D and maybe get some cinematic looking shots. I guess the sad part is, even after having so many beautiful locations around here, like the two forts, the Visapur and Lohgad, Karla, Bedse and these Bhaja caves, I hardly see any development, tourism development in this area. I don't know why, but it's hard to understand that there's no restoration in. I'm sure we are capable of doing that on our own. Preserving the monument is equally important, and encouraging people to visit it is also very important. This is a group of 14 stupas close to the main caves. These are relic to the monks who passed away at Bhaja. I'm sure there are a lot of videos out there and a lot of details that they explain quite well, but this is my humble way of showing the Bhaja caves through my lens. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Please stay safe, and we'll connect on a big, grand, exciting trip soon after the lockdown. Fingers crossed.